New Year, everyone! In honor of the princes and princesses who watch the Annie K Show each week, this year we will be featuring dishes from your countries and highlighting one each month. This month we'll be featuring Guyana. Today we'll be making one of my favorite dishes known to me as curry chicken and in Guyana as chicken curry. Let's get started. Our ingredients for today include onion, garlic, curry powder, cumin, garam masala, chicken bouillon, salt, thyme, scallions, hot pepper, potatoes, chicken pieces, and water. You will also be needing bowls, a blender, a Dutch pot, and spoons. In your blender, blend your thyme, onions, pepper, garlic, and water until smooth. Mix all of your dry ingredients except your salt with your fresh seasoning and some water in a bowl to make a paste. After heating your favorite oil in your pot, stir in your seasoning paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring consistently. Add your chicken to your pot, stir the coat, and cook covered for 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish with your scallions and serve. Sometimes people do or say things that hurt our feelings, but we must always remember to ask Jesus to help us to treat them the same way we would want to be treated. Time to serve us some Guyanese chicken curry.